Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis several times before. It's been a while since the last time I did it, so I want to just get things updated here. And I should note that this is kind of a tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or who knows, maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell relatively quickly after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, though, I'm well aware that the price has pulled back from its highs, a decent amount. But from a big picture perspective, the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. And when higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different and probably more of a day trader type perspective going into the trade. And the reason, that I would still say the bulls are in full control has everything to do with that pink line right there, which is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it because that's just a sign of strength from a trend perspective, and especially in this case, because if you just go back through the history of things. So right here, you can see where that pink line is 3 separate times. The price bounced beautifully off of it, so that's a good sign. So that puts that set of lows there. Previous set of lows was right here, and then this set of lows down here. And if you picture each of these as stair steps, not to insult your intelligence, but you can very clearly see that these stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And again, from the big picture perspective, that's the name of the game. So sure, it has pulled back, but it's from the grand scheme of things, that higher stair step is still fully in play. So that's why I would still say that the bulls are still in full control. Once more, I 100% realize that if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here, then yeah, you couldn't care less about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making these comments from a bigger picture type perspective. So sure, the price over the past few days has pulled back, but think about that, a few days. Here we're looking at a few weeks worth of time, multiple weeks worth of time. And within that time frame, you can see the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. So that continues to be priority number one going forward. Just keep chipping away at higher lows, and over time, everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.